Has your child ever overshared, or you were at a party and you were embarrassed by something that came out of your child's mouth? Well, today we're going to talk to you about oversharing.
And we're going to give 3 crucial tips that's going to help you as a parent prevent your child from oversharing the next time you're out and about.
I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Kyle.
From the Montessori Place.
So today we're going to talk to you about oversharing. This whole episode came about from something that our son did about a week and a half ago. We were talking at home and we were trying to encourage him to go and seek out one of his friends from class. And well, we were joking around and giving him incentives as to why he should go. And one of those things should not have been repeated, and he ended up telling his friend this thing, which was mortifying to us and extremely embarrassing. And we then told him why it was not appropriate for him to have repeated that, especially when we were just kidding.
So today we're going to give you 3 tips that you as a parent can do to change your behavior to prevent your child from oversharing.
Okay, so tip number 1, be self-aware. This is really 2 different things. Watch what you're saying and watch where you're saying it. This can be you're watching TV, you're at the dinner table, you are having a mommy and daddy conversation. You need to be self-aware. What it is that's coming out of your mouth that can be repeated, and who's around. You may think that you or your wife or spouse are the only 2 in the room, but in fact, those sneaky little munchkins are just lingering around the corner listening to everything you say.
Tip number 2, put yourself in your child's shoes. Many children don't understand sarcasm, so your quick little quips, they're not going to get. They're very literal, concrete learners. Also, your children are still learning empathy. They're very egocentric. They know their thoughts, and they don't completely understand other people's points of views and how another person may interpret and take that feeling. Also, your children want to emulate you. Remember, we talked about children being mirrors. So things that you're doing, your behaviors, they're going to model and reflect back to peers. So how are you behaving around your children, and how is that going to be when they go and are with friends?
Can I add something?
Yeah.
So putting yourself in your child's shoes, I mean, no kidding. Like, think about yourself as a child and listen to what it is that you're saying. And interpret it the way that you think that they might, because it's not going to be the same way that you intend. So, I mean, no kidding. Put yourself in your kid's shoes and be like, oh, crap, did I just say that? Okay, children, don't say that.
Maybe don't say crap.
Tip number 3, when in doubt, talk to your children.
Your children oftentimes will need perhaps clarification of why you said what you said, or the reasoning behind that. You want your children being comfortable coming to you and asking questions rather than going to peers and getting some misrepresentation, some misinterpretation of things. So explain things to your children, have them come to you with questions. So today we talked about ways to prevent oversharing, which comes from you, the parent, being self-aware, putting yourself in your child's shoes, and when in doubt, talking to them and talking them through understanding.
If you like what you saw today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there.
And check in next weekend for the new video.